Hey viewers, welcome back to WeCodeNoCode. Imagine building two practical and powerful apps, complete, functional, and AI-driven, without writing a single line of code. In today's video, we're going to build a Freelancer CRM app, your smart workspace to manage clients, projects, and payments effortlessly, and an AI tools subscription tracker app, a clean, analytics-ready dashboard to organize and track every AI subscription you use. Both apps are 100% no-code, built end-to-end with Google AI Studio, completely free to create. And the best part? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build them yourself, step by step. But before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials on AI, no-code, and app building. All right, let's dive in. I've created a prompt and pasted it here for building a Freelancer CRM. You can take a screenshot of it if you want. Also, I'm not fast-forwarding this part of the video to show you how quickly Google AI Studio is building this app. We will click on the code view and see Google AI Studio building this app live for us. All right, while it is building our app, let's see what prompt I've pasted. I have pasted, build a fully functional, end-to-end Freelancer CRM app that enables independent professionals to manage clients, projects, tasks, and payments seamlessly. The app should operate flawlessly across all sections, ensuring that every feature, button, and interaction works correctly with smooth navigation and responsive performance. Users should be able to add, edit, view, and delete client profiles with complete contact details, notes, and communication history. Create and manage projects with deadlines, progress tracking, and task lists, and generate invoices, record payments, and view transaction history within a unified dashboard. The delete functionality must be fully functional in every relevant section, allowing users to safely remove clients, projects, tasks, or invoices with proper confirmation prompts to prevent accidental deletions. The CRM should also feature an analytics dashboard that displays key metrics such as active clients, total revenue, pending invoices, and upcoming deadlines, along with smart search and filter tools for quick access to any record. Design the interface in a dark black mode theme with a glass morphism aesthetic, using translucent cards, rounded edges, and subtle neon gradient highlights in teal, blue, and violet tones. Apply clean, modern typography, intuitive icons, and structured layouts to maintain a premium SaaS-style appearance. All elements, including forms, modals, tabs, and action buttons, should feel cohesive and responsive, with smooth transitions and consistent styling. The final app should deliver a high-end, futuristic CRM experience for freelancers, blending powerful functionality with an elegant, immersive, dark mode design. You can also add or tweak features just by updating your prompt. To be honest, what I personally noticed is that Google AI Studio often generates a different UI and design each time you use the same prompt, which is quite interesting. Maybe you can try it yourself, experiment a bit, and let me know in the comments what kind of designs you get. But overall, for a completely free tool, Google AI Studio is building some really impressive apps. And just like that, the first version of our app is ready. It has built a beautiful, clean interface with a dashboard and dedicated sections for clients, projects, and invoices. It even generated some dummy data, which you can easily delete later once you start customizing your own entries. Now let's test it. We will try to create a new client. We'll start by giving our client a name. Let's call it as ABC Corporation. Next, for the email, I'll type abc@abc.com. For the phone number, I'll just enter a few dummy digits for now. This is just for testing. Under address, I'll put Salt Lake, US. And finally, under the notes section, let's enter something like consulting services for a new startup. That's it. All the details are in and our new client is ready to be saved. Now we will just click on the Save Client button, and with just one click, we have successfully saved our first client. Now let's clean things up by deleting the existing dummy entries. We'll go ahead and remove them one by one. And just as we defined in our prompt and build instructions, the app is prompting a confirmation before each deletion, working exactly as intended. Now, let's move on to the project section and try adding a new project. For the project name, let's say I'll enter something like Consulting Services for ABC Corporation. Under Client, we'll select ABC Corporation from the dropdown, the one we just created a moment ago. Next, let's pick a random deadline date and set a budget of $5,000, which fits perfectly for the project scope. For status, now we'll choose Not Started and then hit Save Project. Everything looks clean, organized, and exactly as expected, showing how smoothly Google AI Studio handles dynamic data creation. And just like that, our new project is successfully created and instantly added to the list. Now let's try to edit the project. We'll simply change the status from Not Started to In Progress, and then click on Save Project. And there we go. The status has been updated successfully. It's quick, seamless, and works exactly as expected. Now, let's test the Invoices section. We'll start by clicking on New Invoice. From the drop-down, we'll select the project we created earlier, Consulting Services for ABC Corporation. Next, we'll enter the invoice amount, let's say $5,000, matching the project budget. Then, we'll pick a random issue date and a due date, just to simulate a real billing cycle. Simple, quick, and all set up in just a few clicks. For status, we'll select Sent and then click Save Invoice. And just like that, the invoice is saved successfully, with the updated status reflecting instantly. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and check. All of the statuses are displaying correctly. Everything looks clean and well organized. Our clients, projects, and invoices are syncing perfectly across sections. To make sure everything updates dynamically, let's test one more thing. We'll head over to the Invoices section once again and change the status from Sent to Paid. The changes are saved instantly and reflecting perfectly. Now, if we jump back to the dashboard, you'll notice that instead of showing a pending amount, it now displays the total revenue, $5,000. That's it. We've tested everything, and it's all working flawlessly, exactly as we designed. If you're happy with the results and want to take it live, you can deploy the app directly from Google AI Studio as well. And that wraps up our Freelancer CRM app, a clean, fully functional app for freelancers, built completely without writing a single line of code. All right, now let's dive into our second build, the AI Tool Subscription Tracker app, a sleek, analytics-ready dashboard to organize and monitor all your AI subscriptions in one place. If you've ever lost track of which AI tools you're paying for or missed a renewal date, this one's for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to build a fully functional, modern, glass morphism-style subscription manager, all without writing a single line of code. I've pasted the prompt to build a polished AI tool subscription tracker app that helps users efficiently organize and monitor all their AI subscriptions in one place. The app includes fully functional sections for dashboard, subscriptions, and analytics, ensuring every feature, button, and interaction works seamlessly.
Users can add, edit, view, and delete subscriptions with details like tool name, category, billing cycle, renewal date, cost, and payment method, all with input validation and confirmation modals to prevent accidental deletions. The dashboard provides a clean overview with key metrics like total monthly cost, total yearly cost, active subscriptions, and upcoming renewals. Below these, there are responsive charts, a category-wise expense chart, and an upcoming renewals bar chart for a quick visual summary. The subscriptions page features a structured, sortable table listing all tools, with search, filter, edit, and delete options to make managing subscriptions effortless. The analytics page provides insights into total spending by category, renewal frequency, and average monthly expenses. Users can also download a report as a PDF, which saves directly without extra prompts, complete with a neat header, summary metrics, and a detailed table. For the interface, the app uses a modern, dark SaaS-style theme with glass morphism panels, subtle shadows, and gradient highlights in teal, blue, and violet. Rounded cards, smooth hover effects, and clean typography create a premium, minimal look. A simple left sidebar navigation keeps the layout intuitive, ensuring a fast, sleek, and professional experience for solopreneurs and AI tool enthusiasts. In short, this app is a modern, fully functional, visually appealing subscription tracker built end-to-end without writing a single line of code.
And in just a few minutes, first build of our app is ready.
It has created a beautiful, clean dashboard for our AI Tools subscription tracker. On the left, we have the main navigation with dashboard, subscriptions, analytics, and settings, along with the app branding at the bottom. The dashboard itself provides a quick overview of your subscriptions, showing total monthly cost, total yearly cost, active subscriptions, and upcoming renewals. Below these metrics, there are two responsive charts. The first displays category-wise monthly expenses across categories like audio and music, coding and dev, image generation, text and writing, and video generation, while the second tracks upcoming renewals over the next 30 days, highlighting specific tools. Everything is clean, organized, and easy to navigate, giving users an instant snapshot of their AI subscription landscape.
Now let's click on Add Subscription to create a new entry. In the Add New Subscription form, we can fill out the details, enter the tool name, select a category, choose the billing cycle, in this case monthly, set the next renewal date, enter the cost in dollars, and select a payment method. Once all the details are filled, we can click Add Subscription to save the new tool for tracking. Now, if we check the Subscriptions section, you can see the lovable entry that we just created. It's added neatly to the list, showing all the details we filled in, and everything is ready for tracking. And with this, we've successfully built the AI Tools Subscription Tracker. If you're happy with it and want to take it live, you can deploy it to Google Cloud or any other hosting or cloud platform of your choice. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to WeCodeNoCode and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tutorials. I've got a lot more exciting projects, tools, and demos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep building, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.